What's your name? I know I'll never be the same. Oh, you've been changing me from trying so hard not to play the fool to do you know that you're beautiful. Oh, you've been changing me. Just take some time, but little by little, yeah, we'll get it right. Oh, I never thought I could get the chance to be here with you.
It's our good night routine. Green bean. I don't blame you for not explaining.
You've been changing me from flying high to breaking falls. Learning money don't mean that you have it all. You've been changing me. Just take some time.
I'm just happy to be here, happy to be married again. I'm a lucky guy.
Oh, I never thought I could get the chance to be here with you. So crazy,
No one's gonna know that.
Step by step, heartbeat by beat. Life's a song, love's a dance. So come and take my
We're fine. I went to fix her dress and I knocked her out. It's okay.
I held it together pretty good.
Oh, you look beautiful, Sissy.
I'm glad you get to do this with me.
You've been a great daughter. You'll always be a great daughter.
Thank you.
So we'll get her crying and hold her this much.
Yep. Can't cry anymore after this. I love you all.
She's gonna have the curly hair all down, and she's gonna have like a kind of a form-fitting dress. Pretty updo makeup like she usually does. So yeah, I'm pretty confident in that.
We're going. I'm nervous, but I'm ready to see him. He's gonna look so handsome. I've never seen him in a suit, so this is gonna be first. He's gonna look so cute. I don't think he's gonna cry. I think he's gonna hold it together. I love you. I can't wait to be your wife, and I cannot wait to do this life together.
I, Dalton, take you, Taylor,
to be my lawfully wedded wife,
to be my lawfully wedded wife,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
from this day forward,
for
better or for worse,
in sickness and in health,
for richer or for poor,
I, Taylor, take you, Dalton,
to be my lawfully wedded husband,
to be my lawfully wedded husband,
to have and to hold
to have and to hold
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better or for worse,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and cherish
to love and cherish
till death do us part.
till death do us part.
So before God, family, and friends, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.